Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel and today's video. So for today's video, I am going to start a new series. And this is because of your requests, and I'm so happy because I didn't think about this, so I'm really happy. And what I'm gonna do in this series is that we are going to learn how to incorporate colors. So it's basically colors for beginners. But first of all, if you are not subscribed to my channel, I highly suggest that you subscribe. I upload videos every single day, so you get a lot of content on my channel. But now let's hop into the video. So in today's video, we are gonna do something very soft, something very beginner-like, something that I think that a lot of people could actually wear. But today's color will be pink. We will incorporate some pink into this look. I will try to tone down the lashes as well. I will also leave a poll right here so you can vote which color you would like to see me use next. The palette I am going to use today is the Juvia's Place Juvia's Place Douce palette. I'm so sorry, but I will call this douche probably, and I'm really sorry about that, but it looks like this. I wanted to take this palette just because I have said this to you guys, but I have a lot of new makeup, I have a lot of new eyeshadow palettes, and you guys really want me to use that palette, that palette, that palette, and that palette, and I can't satisfy you all. I can't do that. And also my videos, like 3 looks using one palette, it takes a lot of time for me to do them. I mean, it's 3 looks, so it takes a lot of time, and I'm happy to do them, but I thought that I would incorporate this palette because I know that some people wanted to see 3 looks with this palette. So I thought that I would incorporate it in today's video. I think I might do 3 looks with this palette, but for now, this is one of the looks. And I have done another look with this palette that I will link in my description box and also right here in case you want to see it. I really wanted to take a palette that doesn't really scare you off, because I think that a palette like, for instance, this one could scare a lot of people, and if you aren't as known to colors, you might not have a very colorful palette. So I thought that something along the lines like this, we have some pops of colors, but we also have very neutral shades, could be a little bit less intimidating. So I zoomed you guys in, and I have primed my eyes. I did use the Too Faced Shadow Insurance eyeshadow primer. I think that this will be quite hard for me because I am used to going very all in. When I do colorful looks, I do very bright and like pops. So I think that this will be a little bit hard for me, but I will start with this shade right here. This is called Berry Mousse, and I'm just going to blend this into my crease. I think that this, if you are like my skin tone, this, as you can see, it barely shows up. So if you're darker than me, you might be able to set your foundation, who am I kidding? You might be able to set your eyeshadow primer with this. It is quite cool toned. It's a lonely road to travel on. So the next shade I will go in with, I mean, I would probably skip this. I am not the biggest like transition person. I don't really think I need a transition. I just think that you can blend your shadow out and it will look great no matter what. But I thought that I would do this because I know that a lot of people do it. That was fun. Do it. Anyway, this shade, not that intimidating, right? So I thought that I would take this, and I actually did end up swatching it just because I wanted to see the color payoff. And I think that this is a, I don't know how to explain it. I'm just taking this on a smaller brush, and I will pop this in my outer corner and try to just blend it into the crease a bit. Don't have to face the thought of being alone. Now I finally found that one. We have now put this towards our crease and blended it out. So the shade is strongest right here, but it still isn't like popping. I will take a little bit more. As you can see, I'm just dabbing some color in. just like so. And now we will just start to focus on blending it out. And this palette makes everything go so quick. Juvia's Place shadows are definitely the best. They're just bomb. So the next shade, I just want to take a shimmer on my lid, and I can't decide if I want to take the shade Puffs or the shade Tart. I think I will go in with the shade Tart. Here we have Puffs and here we have Tart. It's a holographic shade that pulls pink. I think that is so beautiful. So I will go ahead and just, this is a Real Techniques brush, and I am just going to press this on. I will probably have to take another brush, but no, it worked. I changed the brush. I need something like a base shadow brush or a concealer brush or something that is a little bit more dense. I am just going to take this because you know that I love a inner corner highlight, and I will just go over that because I think that is beautiful. You definitely don't need to do it. I will just take a little bit of this shade Creme or Cream, I don't know. I'm gonna take this on a small brush, and you can just use a brown if you want to, but I will just take a little bit of pink. Oh my god, did you see? I got a large patch here. Or I got a lot of fallout. And now I am pink there. Great. So I am just taking this. So I think that this is completed. I will do the rest of my makeup and hair off camera, and then I will be right back. So this is the look I came up with, and this is the finished result. I am wearing some of these eBay lashes that I have showed you guys before. They are very natural. They are actually not that much longer than my normal lashes, so I kind of feel very daytime glam. I would definitely, if you have a job that don't let you have so much makeup on, this is definitely a look you could have. I also think that this is very beginner friendly, but this is a new series, so if you have some constructive criticism for me, I am all open to hear that. I love to hear constructive criticism, how you think that I can improve. But I think that was all that I really wanted to tell you guys today. So I really hope that you enjoyed this little makeup look that I created. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video if you like the new series that I have started, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!